Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech. Today I'm unboxing an item that is prominent to many athletes and everyone that is trying to stay hydrated. So, what is so special about this item? Let's get into it. Before we get into it, kindly make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are new here and click on the notification bell so as to get notified if I upload any new video. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if this video helps. Whoa, what do we have here? Okay, now we have Live Infinitely Forever Fused. Wow, wow. This is 332 O's 946 ml. Wow. I believe we all know what Fuse. What I mean. Okay, these are the features of the bottle. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Dual hand grip. Oh, body with carrying loop. That's amazing. For easy grip, convenient thumb releasing flip top. That's amazing. It has quite a wonderful. Oh, and the most amazing part I love is the BPA free, which is it's not carcinogenic. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, it's come in different colors. You can see that. You can see when I said something about give your body essential vitamins and minerals it needs by adding fruit, vegetable, and herbs. Drink more water helps. Wow, this is why you should drink more water. More water. You need more water. You need more water. You can see. Okay. Okay, this is the bottle. Okay, let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. Wow, it's amazing. I think I got a light blue. We have a water bottle, a fuse bottle, then we have a manual. Okay, we're going to get to this later. And as for this, there is nothing more inside. You can see. So, okay, inside we have a nice and comfortable water bottle. Not just any water bottle, but a fused one for preparing fused drink. Okay, let me see. That's another cover. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, there is another manual inside. Gentle. Ooh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I'm going to do that later. Okay, so I believe this is where the water is going to be, and your fruits will be inside here, deep in the water and sealed. Then you cover up. This is a very good gym gadget you should have. Okay, this should open up and you can drink from here. Oh, that's amazing. It has a lock button if you don't want anyone to access your water. It's really comfy. I think I like it. It's not gonna slip from your hand while you hold it. I like it. This is nice. It looks more of like a rubber plastic thing. So I'll be trying this out, putting some fruits and water, and I'll give you my remark on it. Thank you for watching today's unboxing, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up as support to the channel. Stay safe, get fused water. It's more healthy. It helps energize your body. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.